What is going on, guys? We are back at it again with another video. I know you guys probably notice it's the same intro every single time, but I don't know what else to say. But as you can see, I'm getting ready to put the car on the jack stands. We are currently about to do an oil change because it needs one, and in the meantime I've been excited to actually do this for you guys, well, for the car also. But here it is, man. The Zspeed Performance Undershroud for the actual Nismo. Man, I didn't want to spend that much money on this, but it's really needed, especially if you drive the car a lot. I mean, I don't drive it a lot, but the actual undershroud that's in the car now, it's actually pretty bad. I guess you can see it. See that? It's all, the tabs are broken. It's actually drags for the most part, but I'm about to go ahead and put the car on jack stands, and I'll start taking off everything apart, and I'll show you guys what to do. If you guys don't know how to do it, but I'm pretty sure the majority of you guys know how to. Also, you want to look at this? Let's see how dirty it is. That's disgusting. I'm going to try and clean it up also. But I'm about to go ahead and put the car on jack stands and see what else to do on this. Alright, so now we're back. We have the car on stands, as you can see. Now, well, I started opening up the packaging. I got so scared at first because I didn't realize that it was actually coming in two different pieces. So the other pieces are in there. It just came as a whole like this, but it looks solid, dude. I really like it based on the color and everything. But I mean, color way dramatic. It's gonna be under the car, so no one's gonna see it. But the T was in this one. Open this one up. I had to pre-open it because I can't do that and open it and hold the camera and all that fun stuff. So these are the other two pieces. One that goes in each corner for the end of the bumper to put on. But that's that. Oops. This we don't need. Hardware, of course we'll need that. That's that. Well, really shouldn't be that much of work to put this on. I'm about to see if I can show you guys the my under-shroud. You see this? Here's what I was talking about. That's why I had to buy it. But we just gotta take off all these bolts right here on the outer portion. Take those out. Take out 3 clips right in there. It's 3. I don't know if you guys can see them. It's on the lighting. And then take out the ones in the back. Once that come off, I mean, it's just common sense. Putting a bolt in each one of them for that, tightening it up, make the holes right on the center. But of course, I'll show you guys how to do it. And other than that, just do the well, just do the oil change. But I think we're gonna do the oil change first, and then tackle on the undershroud install. But I'll show you guys how it is. I want to go ahead and take this off, and then take out the oil drain plug and then the oil filter and start draining it in the meantime. Alright, so there it is. I took out the undershroud, the plastic one, which looks freaking ugly. And you wanna know how much that shit is for the OEM one for a Nismo? That thing's over $200. I'm like, Nissan, y'all was tripping. But yet again, it's a Nismo, but it's an undershroud. You know what I'm saying? But since that's taken out, took up all the bolts. That's the bottom. Now, but take out this oil drain plug. Oh shit! I don't know. I can barely see it, but it's a 14mm. Let's see how this goes. Doing it in one hand. Brake. Well, doesn't want to brake. It's going to brake. Let's put you guys up here like this. Alright. I'm pretty sure that's off. Alright, let's try it again. God damn, that shit was hard as hell. Good God, I hit myself against the frame. Now let's see how this goes, bro. Alright. You guys believe I'm gonna nail it? I think I'll be able to take up the drain plug without getting oil all over my hand. I don't think so. I'm doing it with my left hand. Well, I can't do that because I don't know how to hold it, especially being at this angle. Alright, all is coming out. I didn't do it. You guys can see that. So, that's it. About to go ahead and wait for this to drain. Hopefully it doesn't spill all over the cement, because I do not have anything to clean it with. But we'll see how this goes. I'll be right back.
Three hours later.
Alright guys, so I kind of, I'm already fucked up, but it's okay. I'll figure out a way. So this damn tool, so the way it's placed, you actually have to drill into here just enough where you can actually fit this inside of this. You see that right there? So that one fit in perfectly. This one I try to force it on, and as you see, you can literally see what happened. You see that? Oh, this part right here, it got crimped. So that happened. I'll try to see if I can fix it. I guess I'll show you guys how to actually put this one on, and so you guys, in case you guys ever do have to install this, you guys don't have to go through the shit I went. Damn it! Only if I can fix the camera and adjust it. Well, you keep it like this right here, and put it up a little bit right there. Also, make sure you guys get a 13mm to actually put on this little nut right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on if I can get it. Being underneath the car just sucks me in, but that's on. So you literally have to just, oh, also don't forget a 10mm ratchet. So you put it in here. Once it's in there all the way and it sits flush, you have to screw the nut right here. Remove the drill. Just screw it on, And then whenever you screw it on, it's gonna just tighten up eventually. So I'm gonna get this. Oh, it's not even tightening up. That's a fail. Alright, now we're golden. So putting it up to this. At the same time you'll push it up and also turn. And just keep turning. Now I want to see if it's on there. See, this is not going to go anywhere. So you can just remove the 10mm, the nut, I can turn it. There it goes. Now let's see if it stayed on. If it didn't, I fucked up again. You bring this down. And bam, it sits here. See that? So you just keep turning it and turning it until eventually like it just sticks on there. And just hope for the best. Hopefully nothing fucks up in the over time. But yeah, that's that. Also, I didn't follow instructions. Well, I did follow instructions. I just didn't have a 23/64 drill bit. I ended up using a I think it's an 11/32. I managed to do it. Well, I drilled it and then I just made like an additional, you know, turns. Hopefully I can drill out some of the aluminum that was in there. As you can see, it worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the actual undershroud and start placing it. I'll probably just forget about the middle one, or I'll try to see if I can fix the one I fucked up, as you guys saw earlier, and see. I'll let you guys know if I did fix it. If I didn't, well, you guys know that I'll be riding with only 2 nuts on here. We'll see though. Alright, welcome back to me struggling. I want to do that and then do the camera. But now I'm putting up these 3 bolts that I'm trying to tighten up. Alright. Gold, I think. Now let's get the other side. Okay. Now gotta do this. If you know, you know how it is to work on the ground. Working on your car, it fucking sucks. This thing sucks. It looks even. Alright, as you can see, now I have this one right here, this one's 6, this one, that one, that one. There's gonna be one more in here, and then we just gotta put the wings on it. You can basically call it the wings, one that goes right here. But other than that, man, that's basically it. I'm gonna go through a struggle and put all this stuff on by myself, and I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. See you guys in a second. Guys, it looks like we are finally done. But you see, you can't see anything. So let's get under here and show you guys. What do you guys think? That looks so good, bro. Took me a while, but you know, I managed to do it. But it's all firm. Everything is tightened. And the car just one step closer to looking kind of good. Just a little tiny bit. I'm just playing. No, but I was really excited to put this on. I just really, as you guys can tell, I never really had the funds, you can say, to actually buy it, and I finally pulled the trigger and now it's installed, which I'm really happy about. Turned out good. It just took me quite a bit of time to do it. But as of now, I'm just gonna jack the car down, well, put it down and then wash it, because I just really hate how dirty it is. Look at this, man. That is disgusting. Oh, it looks so nasty. But by the end of the video here, after I clean all this stuff up, all the tools, all that fun stuff, after put all that up, I'm gonna wash it, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Just make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Share with all your friends, buddies, teachers, students, whoever it is that's watching this. Just share it. Help our brother out, man. But I'll see you guys into the next one.